Assalamu alaikum, everyone. In today's digital world, visibility is everything. Have you ever wondered how some websites always appear at the very top of Google? Today, we will explore SEO, an essential tool for improving website visibility and ranking on search engine result pages. Welcome to the SEO Masterclass. This training session is designed to help you master SEO from the basics all the way to advanced strategies. I'm your guide through this journey. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this course covers everything you need to dominate the search results in 2024 and beyond. We'll start with the fundamentals, then move through keyword research, on-page and technical SEO, off-page strategies, content marketing, and deep analytics. Let's begin with Module 1. SEO is the art and science of persuading search engines that your content is the best answer to a user's query. It's about trust, relevance, and authority. Why is it important? Organic traffic is the most valuable traffic you can get. It builds long-term credibility and is the primary driver of digital revenue. Moving to Module 2, keywords are the bridge between what people are searching for and the content you provide. We'll look at tools like SEMrush and Keyword Planner to find those gems. Module 3 is all about on-page SEO, from optimizing your meta tags to structuring your URLs and creating high-quality, keyword-rich content that speaks to both users and bots. Next, technical SEO. Site speed, mobile friendliness, and secure HTTPS connections are non-negotiable. We'll show you how to audit your site and fix 404 errors using 301 redirects. Module 5. Off-Page SEO. It's not just about what's on your site, but how the world sees it. Link building and social signals are crucial for proving your site's authority to Google. In Module 6, we discuss content marketing. Creating content isn't enough, it must demonstrate EAT. We'll show you how to build content clusters that dominate your niche. Module 7 covers local SEO. If you have a physical presence or serve a local area, your Google My Business profile is your most important asset. Reviews are the currency of local SEO. Module 8. Analytics. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. We'll dive into GA4 and Search Console to track your performance and spy on your competitors. In Module 9, we review the Pro Tools, from Screaming Frog for technical audits to Sitebulb for data visualization. These tools give you the edge over the competition. Finally, Module 10 covers platform-specific strategies. Whether you're on WordPress using Yoast or running a Shopify store, SEO requirements change. We'll tailor the approach for each. We've covered a lot today. From the basics to advanced tools, you now have the blueprint for SEO success. The key is consistency and staying updated with the latest trends. Thank you for attending the SEO Masterclass. Let's implement these strategies and enhance your website's performance. Subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next session.